from the system, choose the file lead operator cutting. Okay. First, press F1. We choose a file. We choose this. Okay. And you can change the size. Here, 1, 2. You can check. This is a file size. You can change. Okay, and enter. Okay, lead in and lead out. We always setting 5 is okay. For example, you want this part, you can cutting like this. Choose this is okay. If you want the hole, you want this hole, you can put this. It is changed after cutting. You will use the hole. Okay, now we want the part. Okay. 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 Before we have setting well the speed. For example, we setting 3000. And then how to setting perforated delay. If use different thickness metal, setting different delay. Press F4 parameter. Plasma. You can see here. This time. For example, now you cutting 3 millimeter thickness metal. You can change to 0.3. If you want cutting 5 millimeter, you can change to 0.5. You want to cutting 9 millimeter thickness, you can change to 0.9. Okay, now with 3 millimeter, change to this is okay. Press save, and then press ESC. Okay, we setting well. Now we move the torch. Use this button. Move the torch to the place which place you want to cutting. We can move this up and down torch to up torch and down. Okay. F7 again. You can check. 让它再开始。Press F7. You can check the area about cutting area, where it will cutting. And press Press ESC. Press ESC, and then we start cutting. It's okay. Okay, press green button. And press enter. Okay. Okay. We cutting very good. You can see it is cutting very good. Now cutting very good, and then if you cutting after you cutting, for example, after you cutting like this, not through, not cutting through the metal, not down, cannot take out. This because of the when you setting the speed is too quickly. When the speed too quickly, cannot cutting down. And if after you cutting the Italian slag so many this is mean you need to change the speed more quickly. Then you change more quickly, this slag will less. Okay, and after you study and cutting many times later, you will cutting very well.